A man is injured after two men broke into his house in southwest Wichita this morning. Cake's Annette Lawless speaks with investigators in a story you'll see only on Cake.
Neighbors tell me they are absolutely stunned that something like this could happen in their community. Two men at home this morning ambushed by thieves.
Got a knock on the door. When they opened it up, they got bum rushed by the two suspects.
Lieutenant E.J. Bastian says two armed men broke into this mobile home at Twin Oaks near Seneca and MacArthur Road. The break-in happened about 11:45.
Tied one of the gentlemen up with duct tape, and the other one was still back in the back bedroom, and they went back, got him.
The second man was pistol whipped by the suspects, described as two black men who were armed with handguns.
They took a couple weapons, an unknown amount of money, and then exited out the front door.
Officers took the victims downtown to get more details as they processed the scene and tried to identify who was responsible for the crime. And as for that man who was pistol whipped by one of the suspects, officers say he should be okay. He did not need to go to the hospital for treatment. In southwest Wichita, Annette Lawless, Cake News.